What's going on, y'all? So today, I know I'm taking a break from some of my other projects, but on Facebook, I saw this thing come up and I was like, I gotta go get that thing. So I went and got it, and I just pulled it back in. I just pulled in, and I knew I had to show y'all this thing. So today I went and drove about 40 minutes to go pick this thing up. And I don't even know where to start with this thing. Like, it's a lawnmower with a wheelie bar. I don't know what more you could want. The guy said it went 95 miles an hour, but it was replaced. The gearbox was replaced, so it has 2 less gears. So I have no idea how fast it's going to go. It doesn't have a belt at the moment. He said he broke the belt. But I was told that it was a built-out lawnmower engine, billet aluminum parts, all that stuff. And he said it had a billet aluminum flywheel on it originally, but it cracked and he put a stock one. So we'll have to figure out, see if that's messing with how it runs or anything. And I'll show you under. Ooh, that doesn't sound good. So under looks like a normal lawnmower engine. I cleaned the carbs. You can see all that's clean. So that's the only thing I've done. I ain't charged the battery, so it's got a good battery. But you get the little knife handle, little skull, hand painted, by the way. The guy said it was a custom hand paint job in Tennessee. I can't remember the name of whatever. The wheelie bar is on these hydraulics, which I don't know if that even works. I don't know anything about that. Hopefully this thing pops wheelies. If it does, I'll be ecstatic. So drag strip tires, kind of cool. Rear lights, got a bunch of switches for all those lights. It has underglow too right there. Or yeah, I guess that's underglow. Tires, other side, other emblems or other paintings. And I think that's pretty much it. Get a view. You can't really tell what's done. It's got this split exhaust, which is awesome. And it shoots flames as of now, so it's kind of cool. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all how this thing runs now. I don't have time to mess with it to tune this thing up, but hopefully I will in a future video. RPM gauge works, but this thing has a really low idle. Like, this thing is struggling to stay idling, so I definitely have to tune it. But I'm gonna try to rev it. I don't think it's gonna rev, but I'm gonna give it a try. See how that goes. So I apologize. I probably can't rev it up anymore. My neighbors are probably not very happy. I don't know how well the sound picks up, but man, this thing is loud. It's definitely louder than that Fat Boy over there by a long shot. I don't know if you could see it was blowing black soot. Definitely running rich, so needs a tuning. I'll get that done, and I'll probably clean it too. But let me know what y'all want to see with this thing, because I just want to rip this thing down the road going whatever. I just want to rip this thing going 60 miles an hour. If it pops wheelies, I'm going to be so excited. By the sound of it, it sounds like it's going to pop some wheelies. So hopefully that goes down. Stay tuned. Let me know what y'all want to see with this thing. And thank you for watching. Go ahead and subscribe, give it a like, and see y'all later.